welcome back. So we had cloudy skies. We made our way through most of the day with some scattered rain and snow showers across the viewing area, but temperatures have been falling all day. We started off into the mid-40s, and right now we are at our low for the day, but that puts us into the mid-30s. Here's a look at the tower cam time-lapse in North Platte with your mainly cloudy skies. Most of us did stay mainly dry through the day today. We're keeping cloudy skies. That northerly wind continues to filter in as we go through the evening hours. Here's a look at the high temperatures across the region today. So we did make it into the mid-40s at North Platte, into the lower 40s, Ogallala, Lexington, Broken Bow, 44, the warm spot at Thedford, near 40 at Imperial and at Valentine for high temperatures. And we have cooled off just a little, still not bad for this time of night. So lower 30s at Ogallala and Imperial, North Platte and Lexington at 34 degrees, and Broken Bow at 32, with mid-20s into our far northern counties. Here's a look at the winds, mainly from a north-northwesterly direction. Wind speeds right now, and these are sustained mainly between 15 and 35 miles per hour. And here's where some of the strongest wind gusts are, especially from I-80 and points off to the north. Some wind gusts between 35 and even up to 55 miles per hour, continuing to pump in that extremely cool air, basically from the Arctic. But we do have a good amount of cloud cover. You can see the remnants of that first system that made its way through with some rain and snow showers across the region. Gave some snow showers out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. They are moving now into extreme eastern Nebraska. The first system is now into the northern plains over Minnesota and Wisconsin. We're tracking our next system, which is this Colorado lowdown here that will move off to its east and then give us another chance of some snow showers, especially from I-80 and points off to the south, along with another shot of really cool air as we go through the day tomorrow. Here's a look at the winter weather alerts. Now we have a winter weather advisory as you make your way south of I-80. So the advisory is in effect for Perkins, southern Lincoln, and Dawson County. Further south of that, the counties that border Kansas are in a winter storm warning. These go into effect until 6 a.m. Central Time on Thursday. So the Skycast shows as we make our way through the rest of the evening and overnight, mostly cloudy skies. A strong northerly wind will get us to lows near 20, and then we'll spend most of the daylight or the morning hours with mainly cloudy skies. And it looks like this is what the radar wants to set up like. Snow showers from I-80, points off to the south, the I-80 corridor, the northern fringe, just some light snow showers, heavy and steady snow toward the Kansas border with highs only in the lower 20s. That will last through the evening before the snow starts to taper off during the overnight into Thursday morning when we quickly clear out. Lows on Thursday morning just after daybreak around 15 degrees. And then we will be right back up there. A cool day on Thursday. We're on the cool side of the system. Low to mid-30s, but a good amount of sunshine by Thursday afternoon. Here's a look at the snowfall potential across the region. You can see right there the I-80 corridor, Ogallala, North Platte, even making its way into portions of southern Custer County, a very thin area of 1 to 3 inches. South of that, where they have that winter weather advisory, 3 to 6 inches, basically from Wallace to Lexington. And as you make your way south of Imperial and Curtis and approach the Kansas border, a large area, 6 to 9 inches from this one. Here's the wider view. You can see this is basically going to go along the Colorado, Nebraska, and Kansas border. So here's what it looks like on the wide maps. As soon as we get this low pressure system out of here, high pressure is working its way in. We're on its cool side for Thursday, then back to a nice southerly flow, and we warm up pretty nicely as we go through the rest of the week. 34 on Thursday, 45 on Friday, into the upper 40s to lower 50s for Saturday and Sunday with a good amount of sunshine, and then falling back through the 40s into the 30s for Monday and Tuesday with another chance of some rain or snow showers. Kent?
All right, thanks so much, Justin. If you've made the choice to kick off a new business in the new year, experts say there are several steps to ensure success. And this Watching Your Wallet consumer investigator Rachel DePompa speaks with a small business owner about keys to help your new venture.